you're experiencing server timeout issues in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these simple steps to improve your connection and gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can help resolve connectivity issues. Unplug the router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve server stability. Check for updates on your gaming platform. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a different DNS server can improve your connection. You can use public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 for potentially better performance. Step 5. Limit background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This will help ensure that Cyberpunk 2077 has the best possible connection to the servers. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.